Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will cover what is product and what is service. So let's begin with what is product. Product is a solution to a problem, anything that can be offered to customer to satisfy their need or want. It can be physical goods or services. Let me explain with a very good problem we faced in the earlier days. The kings in earlier days sent their personal agents to carry their letters all the way from one place to the other. The agents delivered the message by walking or by riding a horse. Later, they started using pigeon post. Thanks to their unique homing ability, carrier pigeons have played an invaluable role in transferring the messages. Pigeon post had some serious drawback, of course. Generally, people used birds which were trained to return to a specific spot. So, in order to send a message, someone had to have the right bird on hand. The birds were vulnerable to being blown or attacked by predators. This way, the message wanted to deliver was lost. Later, people shifted to handwritten letters by post. This was time consuming and bit expensive. So likewise, there is an evolution in the communication from using older methods of communication. Example, cave paintings, smoke signals, symbols, carrier pigeons and telegraph to the cell phones. So cell phone has solved all the problems. Now we can communicate with others more effectively. This mode of communication is easier and cheaper. Also, we can convey the messages using different apps like WhatsApp, Snapchat, WeChat, Facebook, Instagram, etc. So, anything which solves the problem is a product. Few of the examples are computers, mobile phones, entertainment equipment such as an Xbox or PlayStation, cameras, household furnitures, washing machines and dishwashers, clothing, etc. So let us see what is service. Products and services often work closely together. Solution could be a service. For example, if a consumer purchased a new car from a dealership, the car would be the good being sold. However, the services associated with maintaining the vehicle, such as oil changes, may also be part of the deal. So let's see some examples for services. Best example for service is banking. Banking is most important services in the modern economy. Holding money in bank, allowing you to do transactions and ensuring security of client remain services. Likewise, we have many services like insurance, teaching and education, childcare center, personal training, doctor's visit and transportation and many more. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. To get all the notifications from this channel, don't forget to click on the bell icon.